Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we change by dy over dx. Next, dx I will put on the right, cosy y we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one we change by secant of y dy. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin s squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2s over number 2. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. Now, I will put number 2 go outside. And now, we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of y plus tan y. Number 1, that is about s. Cosine 2s, we have 1 over 2 sine 2s, and I will put about c. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.